Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to get Dropbox Access Token. First, go ahead and search for Dropbox developers. Now, just go ahead to their site or platform. After that, just click on the Create Apps button. Now for the API, choose on Scope Access. And for the type of access you need, for app folder, you have access to a single one, and for full, you have access to files and folders in a user's Dropbox. I will choose on full, and in here, just go ahead and name your app, then agree to their terms, and just go and create the app. Now, as you can see, the name is existing, so you have to change it until it is available for you. Then click Create App. Now once inside, just scroll down until you're in the Generate Access token. So just go ahead and generate one. And there you have it. You now have your access token from Dropbox. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.